to my channel. So today we're doing another blooming coaster. I already poured my resin. I let it sit for a little bit, so hopefully it will work. First I'm going to prepare my white. So I'm going to try a different combination. I'm going to add some pristine white first, a couple drops. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops. And I'm going to add some of the white pigment paste to it. And I'm going to use just a little bit. I think that should be enough. Put that in here. I'm trying to not get the big blobbies. I'm going to try and actually try a different technique. I'm going to put this in a baggie and I'm going to pipe it. I've never tried that before, so hopefully it will work. And that's what I'm going to do in this one. But for the other one, I want to try and do some stripes. And I'm going to use the pigment paste I got. It's already like way too much. I only need like a tiny bit of this because I only have like a tiny bit of resin in here. So I got a blue, got a chocolate brown, and then I've got my pink, my light plum, just a little bit. And mix that up. So this is a nice color shifting pink. Brown, and this is a metallic blue. I also want to add a little bit of these gold foil flakies, but I'm going to do that last. What I saw Julie do is just put stripes in, so that's what I thought to do because that looks like it's really easy. I'm just gonna, maybe I need a little bit more. It's looking better. Not sure how much I need. I'm just winging it. It's definitely moving. Don't know if it's because my table isn't straight. Definitely doing something. Okay, and let's give it a little swirl in the center. Because I want to pop my foil in there. Okay, let's try and get some of this. Put it in here. It's definitely going on one side, so let's turn it. And for this one, let's see, I think, let's put this in here. So I think I'm just going to try and pipe it. Not sure if it's going to work. I've never done it before. Take off. Let's look at it. Okay, let's just try and go for it. Okay, I think I'm done with that. I want to do something with this center, so maybe I'll add a little bit of the pink. So I'll just see what happens and we'll see you at the unmolding.
It's unmolding time. So let me tell you first what happened. This one moved. I thought it was my table not being level, but it was at the same spot that I poured the other one and that didn't move at all. What happened? I think it's just the resin. I think I overheated it on one side and then it just didn't want to correct anymore. So this is a fail. Just let's look at the other side. Okay, I like the center. But this is how this one came out. The colors did the same weird thing going to the one side, so I decided to swirl them. So then I got a mix of older colors and I had some white left, so I piped the white on top. But I think that the resin was already too hard and it didn't move at all, or just a little bit. So I don't know what happened here. So this is just a fail altogether. So as you can see, I've still got the blobs. I'm just gonna try again. I really want this to work. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.